Preparing financial records for buyers means gathering every paper and digital file that proves what you have spent on your home over the years, so buyers can trust the value and condition of the property. This includes mortgage statements, tax records, utility bills, insurance documents, and receipts for any repairs or upgrades you have made. Think of your home like a report card, and every bill or receipt is a grade that proves you took care of it. Buyers want to see proof, not just promises, so if you replace the roof or fix the plumbing, you need paperwork showing when it happened and how much it cost. A trick many sellers do not know is that keeping a simple folder, either digital or physical, labeled by year makes everything easier to find later. You should also gather your property tax bills for at least the last 2 or 3 years, since buyers often use these to estimate their own future costs. Another lesser-known tip is that some utility companies can send you a full history report if you ask, which saves you from digging through old mail. Start early, even months before you plan to sell, because collecting old documents always takes longer than expected. One common mistake is throwing away receipts for small repairs thinking they do not matter, but buyers often add these up to judge how well the home was maintained, so keep everything no matter how small. Another mistake is forgetting to organize warranty documents for big appliances or systems like the furnace or water heater, and a quick fix is to store these in the same folder as your other financial papers. Many people also assume verbal explanations are enough, but written proof always builds more trust, so whenever possible, get invoices or statements instead of relying on memory. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.